Hey everybody, this is Steve from OptimismVaccine.com, and this is Sonic Dreams Collection. And I know what you're saying to yourself right now. You're saying, there's a new Sonic game? And it's not exactly a new Sonic game. This is a game from Arcane Kids, who are a group of guys from Los Angeles, I believe. And they've made a few different games. They were in the press for a while when they made a Bubsy 3D game of some sort. I think it was just called, like, Bubsy 3D Returns or something like that. But anyways, they obviously didn't have the rights to Bubsy, and they just made a really, really weird, like, Bubsy art game thing. So yeah, Arcane Kids, they make really cool, really interesting games. They have another game, it's called like 1,000 Snakes or something like that. Just really bizarre, weird, off-the-wall shit. I got an email from them this morning, and inside was a download for this game. I'm sure SEGA has no idea that this exists, and I'm willing to bet that once they find out, they're not going to be too happy. So the whole idea behind the Sonic Dreams Collection is these are 4 Sonic games that were supposed to be released for the Dreamcast, but never were, which is weird because I think these all predate the Dreamcast. Anyways, there's, Make My Sonic, Eggman Origin, Sonic Movie Maker, and My Roommate Sonic. I only played this for maybe a minute or two just to kind of get a feel for it, so we'll start with Make My Sonic. So, yeah, Make My Sonic was MJSTUDIO's first prototype with SEGA, a Sonic OC, original character creator. MJSTUDIO was committed to fan self-expression. They believed that Sonic was versatile enough for every genre, even sci-fi. Originally, Make My Sonic was meant to create and upload avatars for use with every Dreamcast through SegaNet. Sadly, no future games supported this level of creativity. Alright, let's give it a try here. Either quit or let go. Guess we're gonna let go. Yeah, so this is Van Eggman Kaiser, the Supreme Hedgehog. And I guess we'll, let's give him a giant head. There we go. Little stumpy legs. I like the mismatched arms. And then we're gonna make him purple. Change the background up. Maybe a nice green. But I guess we'll go into the photo booth here. He throw some rings in Sonic. Yeah. Sure. This is amazing. This is so amazing. And yet, still better than Sonic Boom. There's really no denying it. Now I know Sonic has like a really we'll say passionate online fan community, and I really want to know what they think of this. What is this? Printable mode. There you go. And then you can color your own Sonic. So yeah, if you drag his head and then you can move him around. There. This is everything I've ever wanted from a Sonic game. That's it. That's perfect. Beautiful. Take a screenshot. Why not? And then we can tweet the photo or upload it to SegaNet. What happens if we upload to SegaNet? Oh, darn. We don't have our SegaNet adapter attached. That's really too bad. So yeah, Arcane Kids. You know, and they don't just make like weird, you know, 3D art landscapes for people to play around with. They also have a few more conventional games. I want to say they have a game called Stride, maybe? And it's kind of like a weird, like, acid trip Tony Hawk game. Let's try Eggman Origin next. Almost nothing is known about Eggman Origin. There's no surviving documentation. From digging through the code, we can tell it was an MMORPG, but few have ever seen past the title screen. Okay. So here we go. Oh, no network adapter. So I wonder if we could somehow hook up a SegaNet network adapter. Would we be able to play this game? I can only hope. It doesn't look like we can do much here. There's probably a way to get some sort of an Easter egg, but I'm not sure. All right, how about Sonic Movie Maker? Sonic Movie Maker was many years ahead of its time, technically speaking. MJSTUDIO envisioned a movie-making program for players to explore and share their desires with the rest of the world. Internal notes suggest that SEGA executives pulled the plug after learning about some of Sonic Movie Maker's darker subplots. Interesting. Okay. I guess we'll start in the backyard. I played around with this one a little bit earlier, so I kind of have the idea. So if I right-click, or no, if I right-click, I can zoom in on things, left-click, grab stuff, and then I can push and pull with the scroll wheel. Let's just leave that up there. What do we got? I can't pick that up for some reason. Oh, here's Sonic. There he is. There's my special boy. I guess we'll just do it like this. It's like a Sonic snuff film. Oh, where'd he go? There it is. The perfect Sonic movie. Alright, head for the exit. We've made our film. If you had to sum up Arcane Kids in just an easy way to describe them to someone else, they're kind of like the Tim Heidecker and Eric Wareheim of video games. That's probably the best description I can come up with. Oh my god, what a beautiful movie I created. Look at that. Like the Martin Scorsese of Sonic fan films. Gonna go on to my next scene here. Pull me? Okay, what was that? Hey, it's prom night. And Purple Sonic and Rouge the Bat. Oh, it's like a love scene. Okay. Let's, This song is amazing. What is going on? Oh, God, we can drag him over and do, like, the 90s, like, prom picture. Here we go. All right, guys, you stay right there. And then I'll grab this. Oh, maybe not. Oh, no, I broke it. Oh, God, I'm breaking everything. There it is. There's my movie camera. Okay, now we got it. They're all set up. They're ready to go. It's like the Sonic love scene. Just like all that fan fiction and all those images on DeviantArt. Just as good. Just as good. Alright, so this film's done. Let's see what the next one is. You know, lack of gameplay aside, you know, it just proves that you don't need gameplay to make a fun and interesting video game. This is about as good as subversive art gets. Oh, God. Things are getting really, really weird with Sonic now. But yeah. Fuck anybody who says you have to make a game that's 60 frames per second and has objectives and shit. It's garbage. This is what it's all about. Sexy Sonic snuff films. Oh no, Tails. Oh no. It's a Sonic orgy. This is everything. This is everything I have ever wanted in a game. God bless you, Arcane Kids. I really hope you don't get sued and sent to jail, because this is beyond incredible. So yeah, if you haven't played their Bubsy game, if you Google just Arcane Kids Bubsy 3D, oh god, Jesus. If you Google Arcane Kids Bubsy 3D, you'll come across their Bubsy game, and basically it starts off and you think you're playing like just a weird, fucked up 3D platformer, and then you realize that all the things you're collecting don't make sense, and you go inside of like an art museum and people are saying weird things, and then at some point you end up like going down into hell, and I think you ride on a roller coaster, and it's something. It's something. Oh, Jesus. Okay, we're gonna pull that. Oh, God. Is that like entrails from an animal? Oh, there's the camera. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's pick up our camera. And then we're gonna use E to grab. Oh, I dropped it. You gotta hold E. Hold E to grab. Feed Sonic. Oh my God, I can feed him more. Oh, Jesus, I see where this is going. I wonder how big we can make him. Feed me more, I'm so full. Alright, there's a chili dog. I've learned from the Sonic cartoon that he does love hot dogs. Or chili dogs, I should say. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is so fucking weird. I love this more than anything. How much bigger... I wonder if we can make him explode. Let's just keep feeding him. I got a plate of spaghetti here. Oh, I dropped it. Pick it up again. Sonic, have some spaghetti. There you go. Let's try a couple more things. Got ourselves a nice little ham here. There you go, Sonic. He's got to be close to bursting. Although, bursting is what you would expect him to do. So it kind of makes me wonder if he just gets bigger and bigger. Oh no, it broke. Looks like that's all we get. Darn. Sonic. There. That's the money shot right there. Oh, poor Tails. Beautiful. Look at that. Another award-winning movie in Sonic Movie Maker. Alright, what do we got for this level? Oh, Jesus. The unbirthing room? Ask me how to avoid rashes. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Oh, God. Are you fucking serious? So what if I feed him more of this food? There's Sonic, eat more. Oh, he's not having it. I guess we'll just keep dropping shit on him then. There we go. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh. Ooh. Chaos Emerald? Just leave that right there for you, Sonic. Oh, there's something else. Oh my God. I did not see that coming. This is beyond weird. Where's my movie camera? Jesus. Please stop smashing the glass. Oh shit, there it is. This is actually really smart in a really weird way. Can I die? Probably. Alright. This is something. Am I stuck now? Interesting. So I wonder if there's only one way out. The ultimate exit. Oh, Jesus. Am I trapped in limbo? Oh God, I'm back. What is going on? Seriously though, how many Sonic games in the last decade have been better than this? Sonic Generations? Maybe. Sonic Colors? I don't know. Other than that, I don't think I had an argument for anything else. That was beautiful. Wait, there's more? Oh, Jesus. Where am I? Okay, so we can use this as like a lantern. Can't go that way. There's the egg from the Eggman RPG. Okay. So now we get the camera. I don't know where the hell I'm going though. Oh Jesus. That's that guy that goes fishing. The cat. Ah. Okay, that's just terrific. Where the hell is Sonic? Unless we're inside of Sonic, which I suppose is a possibility. Oh, God. Here we go. Oh. Jesus. This is weird. This is really weird. This is so bizarre. Oh God, it's like a mobile or something. This is so strange. There's filters? Oh wow. I didn't know about this. Should have used some of these filters. God damn, this is weird. Is that it? This is my everything. Alright, we're going to the rap party. Oh my God. Sign the guest book? So, this isn't showing up, obviously, because I'm using Open Broadcaster, but if you click sign the guest book, there's, like, a website guest book, like the kind you'd see on a GeoCities website in 1998, just popped up. And there's tons of people who have signed it. This is incredible. This is beyond incredible. Wow. Alright, let's try the last one. No DLC? Come on. I want that DLC. Please, Arcane Kids, give us DLC. Alright, so we got My Roommate Sonic. My Roommate Sonic is an autobiographical game which explores a human/hedgehog's relationship set in a modern apartment complex. My Roommate Sonic was a flawless first step into virtual reality. The Sega VR headset was never released. So this game, too, was buried. Interesting. Now, here's the question. If I did have an Oculus Rift, would I be able to play this as a VR game? I don't know. Oh, God. Well, it certainly got the Oculus look going. I bet this is Oculus, really Oculus compatible. Okay, so I got a phone. It's a hedgehog on the TV. Oh, hi Sonic. How you doing, buddy? Have you told your roommate how you feel about him? Not yet. Okay. Look out your window. Hey, it's Dr. Eggman. Okay, he's gonna teach us how to seduce Sonic, maybe? I guess I can get down with that. Give him the tickles. Oh. Hey, wasn't having it. How do I give him the tickles? What is wrong with my arm? Ah. Uh-oh. Go for the kill? Okay, I'm clicking, moving, hitting buttons. I don't know if I can do anything here. Okay, I can't tickle him. Maybe if I grab... Fucking hell! What is going on? I don't know how do you kill Sonic? You gotta hit him and knock his rings out. But I can't grab anything. Can't grab his shoe. Can't grab his hand. He's not having it, man. I don't know how to do this. This is just bizarre. Absolutely bizarre. Alright, we're gonna try one more time. What if I grab his dick? It's gotta be either his dick or his face. Maybe I just have to... Oh, okay. Maybe I have to do it so... I have to do it before he slaps me. In, like, rapid succession. Let's try that out. Get your damn arm fixed. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's try it one more time. Come on. Oof. It's quick on that one. I gotta try one more. I love tickling Sonic. Hey. Maybe. Go up his leg a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on, Sonic. You know you're into it. Ah! Alright, I don't know what to do here. We're gonna have to exit. So, that's the Sonic Dreams collection. If you're not familiar already with Arcane Kids, go to their website, Google them, check out their stuff. They make a bunch of really weird shit, and they're incredibly talented. It's not just bizarro art stuff, it's everything in between. In between the realms of avant-garde arts, installation, and video games, therein lies Arcane Kids. If you're interested in more videos, please like, subscribe, and check out optimismvaccine.com for more content. Thanks a lot.